How to share a PDF as a link. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, locate the file that you want to share. Now let's say that I want to share this file that's called test PDF. Now if you want to share this file as a link, if you go directly to your mail, you will not be able to share it as a link. It will just go as a file. Now what we can do here is we can upload this very file as in our drive and send it as a link from there. Now as you can see right here, if I send it just as it is, it will go as a file and not as a link. Now to make it a link, open up your drive. You can simply go to drive.google.com and just open up any file there. Go to my drive, and here you'll need to upload this file. Now upload this PDF. Now while this gets uploaded, you can just go down below and hit the subscribe button. Now as you can see right there, it's been uploaded. Now what we'll do right here is we'll tap on the three dots on the right hand side of the file, tap on share, and we'll tap on copy link. Now after you've copied the link, you can head back over to your mail, or you can just simply DM this to anyone that you want and simply paste this link. Now tap on insert link right here, and you can display the text as it is. You can add the web address there, tap on OK, and there you go. Now this is the link. Now if we click on this link, it will redirect us to this file right here, and yeah, that is basically what we want. Now type in this. Now here you can just type in to whom you want to send it, tap on send, and there we go. Now let's check if it's successful. So let me change my account here. Now if I just reload this, since it's not here, let me check my spam. It's not there as well. Now it might take some time to get sent. No, so as you can see right there, now this is the link that I sent. Now if I click on this link, it will take me to this drive right here. Now as you can see, the PDF is open with the link. Now yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you share a PDF as a link. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.